Hi everybody, Mark here from AmericanAeration.com, and in this video today I want to talk about the new Home Series pond aeration system from Kasco Marine. This is a more budget-friendly option, a simplified version of their excellent Robust-Aire subsurface aeration systems for smaller ponds of maybe up to 2 acres in size. The standard Robust-Aire packages are an extremely versatile arrangement or configuration of pumps, airline, and diffusers that allow a lot of different options in terms of the cabinet setup that you have. Now, cabinets are required for these pumps, or some kind of protection is required for rocking piston pumps from the elements, from getting wet and that kind of thing. And so Kasco offers in their standard Robust-Aire systems a no cabinet version if you have an existing outbuilding or shed with power, so you can put the pump in there, or they have a post mount cabinet which mounts on a 4x4 post, a utility pole, a dock, the side of a building, that kind of thing. Very versatile setup with their post mount package. And then they have the new Robust-Aire base mount or ground mount cabinets with their AirGuard technology. I just did a video on one of those not too long ago, and you can find that in a link below if you want to learn more about that. But these are their premium offerings. They have all of the bells and whistles that you'd want, pre-filtering in the cabinet for that base mount cabinet. They have a air filter indicator which tells you when to change the air filter because of restriction of airflow, so that's very handy. You don't have to guess about that. And then it has their dual loop diffusers, which I've found to be virtually indestructible, and their usual great Tech Air pump, which has been extremely reliable for us. So if you're looking for a premium, all the bells and whistles, best warranty in the business, that kind of thing, the Robust-Aire is probably the thing you want to look at. But it comes with a bit of a price tag, so Kasco decided to come out with a more basic kit for people. Still has a very nice cabinet, as you'll see here. This is a stainless steel cabinet. Has a cooling fan built into it, nice ventilation, some pre-filtering for the ventilation, which is good. And it has a single loop diffuser instead of the dual loop. So it's not quite as efficient as the Robust-Aires, but it still does an excellent job. This still is using, and I'll show you inside in just a second, this is still using their great 1/4 horsepower Tech Air pump, and it will power up from 1 to 2 diffusers, up to 2 diffusers. And what's nice about it is the kit is set up so that if you order, let's say, a single diffuser Home Series kit, it will still come with an attachment and a manifold where you can actually add a second diffuser to the system later on if you want to. You don't have to. You can cap that second line, but you definitely can add a second diffuser should you want to, if you want to spread the air out a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and then move the camera in. We'll show you the inside of the cabinet, talk a little bit more about what's in there, and then just go over some thoughts that I have about this system and why I think it's going to fit best for people that are really looking for an excellent, well-built, built like a tank package, but maybe not spending the same amount of money that you would with the Robust-Aire system or some of the premium aerators on the market today. Okay, so this is a quick look inside the Home Series cabinet from Kasco Marine. What you'll find inside is a 1/4 horsepower rocking piston pump. This is their Tech Air compressors, which I found to be extremely reliable. It's the same compressor used in their higher end Robust-Aire systems. And so there you have a key component that is basically equal to their higher price systems, but at a better price overall. You don't find as many bells and whistles, as I mentioned, in this cabinet, but you do find the necessary things. There is a cooling fan back here, which will evacuate the heat out of the box. It also comes with pre-filtering. The air will come in this way through a vent on the side of the cabinet and go right up against the pump and help with the cooling of that, and then the exhaust fan will pull any buildup of heat out of the cabinet itself. You also have your air filter canister. The air filter is inside of there. You'll want to check that probably initially every couple months. If it's in a pretty dusty area, it may need to be changed a few times a year. In most locations, I would bet you could get away with once a year on changing that filter out. But that is the pre-filter for the direct airflow that goes internally inside the pump, so you want to keep an eye on that. But otherwise, it's a very simple cabinet, nicely designed. It will stay a lot cleaner because of that pre-filter, and yeah, I think it's going to be a really nice addition to their lineup, and it fits quite a few people's needs. If you have ponds of, say, an acre to 2 acres in size, like all subsurface aeration systems, if you can get a diffuser down to 12 feet or better, it will cover about an acre of area. This one, because it has a single loop diffuser, and I'll show that again here, the Robust-Aire line has a dual loop, which has a bit more efficiency to it, but a single loop diffuser, if you can get to 12 to 15 feet, it should come close to covering about an acre in size, maybe 3/4 to an acre in size, and then acre and a half up to 2 acres in size if you have depths of 12 feet or better, I would say, and ideally you want it just a little bit more, maybe 15 feet. This compressor, by the way, and most rocking piston compressors will handle a lot of depth. It's why we use them in ponds. Any pond over about 8 feet deep will shift over to a rocking piston compressor. They're rated for about 50 feet of depth. I don't like to push them quite that far, but 35 feet, 40 feet shouldn't be a problem. So with this system, you will see 2 lines coming out, and you can use one or both of these. If you have a single diffuser setup, you cap one of these lines and just use one of them. If you have a 2 diffuser setup, you would have a valve manifold on one of these lines, and so you can direct airflow to either diffuser however you want. And the nice thing about this package is you can add a second diffuser to it later on if you want to, should you decide to spread the air out more in the pond than when you started with the system. So at any rate, it's a pretty clean system. Stainless steel cabinet, should last for years and years, and like all Kasco stuff, it's going to be well made and well designed. So the Kasco Home Series in the kits comes obviously with the stainless steel cabinet, built-in cooling fan, the 1/4 horsepower compressor, pre-filtering for the intake on the cabinet, 2 ports to go out of the cabinet so you can run 1 or 2 diffusers. It also comes with an accessory package for capping one of the lines if you only have a single diffuser. It also includes a valve manifold or a valved assembly here, coupler, where you can use 2 diffusers and direct the airflow to either one as you need to, depending on the depth of each diffuser. It comes with a single loop diffuser. Check valve is included there too. It's a self-weighted base, so it sinks and stays where you put it, and it comes with 100 feet of 3/8 inch weighted air line. So it is a complete package, ready to run. Standard is 115 volt. You can get it optionally in 230 volt as well for no additional charge. So whatever you have for voltage, you can set these up and run them. And as I mentioned previously, a lot of times you will see these used in ponds from about anything from up to 1 acre, maybe a 1/4 acre, up to an acre for a single diffuser, and then 1.5 acres, maybe up to 2 acres if you have enough depth to work with for 2 diffusers. So that's where it's going to fit in its sweet spot. And as always, I think this is going to be a nice addition to the line for people who are looking for a really well-built aeration system, not low budget, not imported junk like you see in some places. It's going to be a premium system with an exceptional pump and diffuser technology, but not without the super high price tag. And they typically have, I think, a great warranty service. They have always been excellent at handling warranties properly, which is why as a company we've been with them for so many years. We can pick who we want to sell with and work with, and if they don't help the customer should a problem arise, they will not be with us. So at any rate, I hope this helps you with your aeration research. If you have any questions or need help with pond aeration, ponds in general, reach out to me. My name is Mark. You can find me at AmericanAeration.com, and as always, I hope you have a great day wherever you are.